Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Microsoft account that holds the files. This ensures you clear the right storage. Once signed in, open OneDrive on the web or via the app so you can see precise usage numbers and the largest folders. Make sure Files on Demand is enabled to avoid resyncing everything to your machine. Now move directly to identifying big space users. Sorting by size shows which folders or file types are consuming the most storage. Once done locating large files, selectively delete or move them. Remove duplicates, old backups, and media you no longer need. Use the web view to sort by size because it reliably exposes massive items. Then delete and immediately empty the OneDrive recycle bin so space is reclaimed. If versioning is active, review and remove old file versions. To avoid accidental loss, download critical items to a local backup or external drive. To finish, review the storage summary so you verify the freed space. Sign out and sign back in if numbers seem stale. Reduce the sync scope on the desktop client to stop syncing heavy folders and prevent reoccupying cloud storage unnecessarily. If your quota does not update immediately, make sure you emptied the OneDrive recycle bin and wait a few minutes for Microsoft servers to reflect changes. If problems persist, restart the app and check the account used. Sometimes you cleared a different account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.